seeing shows and even close with you. I was sleeping in the edge, holding something we don't need. All this delusion in our heads is gonna bring us to our knees.